Hello, I'm Chydig. I'm a lecturer on the product design course and welcome to our design degree show. Product Design Degree Show celebrates and showcases the design work of our hard-working students over the last 12 months.
So MedUAV, it was inspired by a real-life story. A friend of mine, he had a medical emergency, a seizure, fairly late at night. It took the ambulance around 4 hours to arrive to the scene. And it was obviously very, stressful. So I thought of an idea for a placeholder for first response, getting people the help that they need wherever they are, whenever. The brief was to create something that's very cheap and could be built very easily and can be controlled in a fairly large range. This drone design right here costs around £300, which is less than your average ambulance ride, and can carry a variety of different medical kits.
The facilities at Bangor are amazing. I wanted to go into injection moulding, so they got an injection moulding machine so that I could then practice getting all the products made. I was able to create my own moulds, do my own tooling, literally had help along the whole way.
I really like the facilities at Bangor. It's allowed me to create really unique designs with high complexity. The facilities overall here are really good, really unique.
Trafod Crafts is a company that me and my wife have set up in which we make artisan soaps, specifically with our packaging being used as a temporary soap dish. So within each side, each one being a 3D printed part that's biodegradable and this all being recyclable. The product design course has allowed me to progress this company by giving constant support. I've been able to use the product design's facilities in the creation of my packaging, in the designing. I've been able to use the knowledge base of all the lecturers to further develop my products as well as all my packaging.
I was working with Mason Cash, who are part of the Rayware group. They are unhappy with their current dinnerware range, and so they asked us to produce a range that would tailor specifically to the young adults' sort of first home, first time that they would buy something for themselves that would actually matter rather than just inheriting stuff that they'd take to uni. So the range that you can see was inspired by minimalism, and it also wanted to incorporate some sort of soft texture details as well.
For my project, I decided to go bigger with my carbon fibre knowledge about cars. And the reason I went this is because I've always loved Top Gear and I've always loved cars, and so I decided to just go through with it and sort of learn how to make cars, starting with the body panels, of course. And yeah, that's my project and I've enjoyed every single bit of it.
Being able to actually get hands-on experience with the workshop and kind of being able to actually prototype my designs has been great because it means that I can very quickly iterate and actually know that the changes I'm making to the designs actually are doing something rather than just kind of all looking at it on the screen and everything.
The facilities that we have in the workshop are incredible, both the kind of machinery, the practical side, but also the expertise that the lecturers are able to give. As we're quite a small course, it means that they're able to give us their time, they're able to give us a proper conversation where we can come to them and say, okay, this is what I'm planning, this is how it fits with the brief, this is what I want to do, is that possible? And they will work really hard to make sure that we are able to achieve that.
I think Bangor is a really good place to meet like-minded people and work on projects that could, potentially help people in the future.
Yes, I would definitely recommend Bangor because they care more just about their course, but they care about what you want to do with your life. That's how I was able to go in the direction I did.